I am all about that massager life, and hand massagers are no exception. So we're going to go ahead and check this one out here. I've used it a couple times already. I do like to keep it in the box because it is just so nice and neatly packed. However, it does come with this great pouch, so you don't have to keep it in here. So this one right here, you've got the black and you have the yellow, and it fits one hand at a time. And this one is completely wireless. So it is something to note: when you do have it plugged in to charge, it will not work. So it is kind of cool because I like to kind of put it on my hand and walk around my house and do different things because it will actually stay on. So we have our power on right here, and this one has 3 different intensity modes, and it also has heat with this one, and there are 2 different heat intensities as well, or levels, I should say. So, you know, obviously the second one is a little bit hotter, so depending on what you want to do. I actually just have to turn it off so I can put my hand inside there. So hand inside, as you can see, my hands are out here. I have lots of space. I could move my hand back some, or I can move it all the way forward, depending on where you want to have it. In the middle in here, you can't see that because it's underneath, but there is like this little ball piece right here, and that is probably my favorite part. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. So this right here, it does like a compression. So right away, it's like filling up with air. And so it is doing a squeezing on my hand. So honestly, I like to go full intensity because I just like it to be nice and hard. And I also like that heat to be turned on. So I've turned it on to the hottest as it can go. You can see it is red here. And so right now it is squeezing my hand. And just so that you can see how it is squeezing my hand, I can just have it kind of hanging in the air like that. Depending on what you're doing, you can walk around with it. But I spend my whole day working on the computer, working on my phone, and this is just a great way for me to help relax and take off some of that pressure and pain in my hands at the end of a long day. Feels so good.